And now we are coming here, we are coming to the closing moment of Ising lectures. So we started in 1997. So we exist as Ising lectures almost 30 years. And that's because to you who are present here on the screen and in a more general context because of the community. Otherwise, it would not be sustainable. And so for this particular event, Ising Lectures of 2026, these are the speakers: Reinhard Voigt, Luis Betancourt, Jan Korbel, Ferenc Iglui, and Matteo Marsili. These are the chairpersons who were Maria Dorsonia, Chris Huli, and Antonio Scala. And these are my dear colleagues from our institute who were visible and invisible, and due to whom we organize this meeting. This is Oksana Dobush, Danilo Dobushovsky, Dmitro Shapoval, Julian Hunchar, and Mariana Krasnitska. So very big thanks to you. And if you will be continuing your goodwill and your help, we will continue these Ising lectures in future. That's it. That's what I wanted to say to all of you on behalf of me, on behalf of my colleagues. If somebody of you wants to say something, you are very welcome to do so.